Hey guys, Untitled here, and today I'm going to be doing a look at my custom Crab Droids, and I'll have a tutorial at the end for how to build these things if you want to build one. So, if you haven't seen this Crab Droid model before, it was featured in my most recent mock as of making this video. Card to that should be on the screen now, and if there is not one, there will be a link in the description. But the card is going to be there, hopefully, so we'll see what happens. I'm going to start this video with an overview of the Crab Droid, and then I'm going to have a how-to build segment at the end of this. So first of all, looking at the Crab Droid, it does have 6 legs. It also has the cannon at the bottom right here, 2 eyes, and the antenna piece. If you want scale on this thing, then I'm going to pull out a battle droid right here and show you. So we have a battle droid, which is not a very uncommon figure. Things are very easy to find. This is about the scale of the Crab Droid. So there's the battle droid, there's the Crab Droid. You can kind of see the size now if you decide you want to make this or not. Now you know how big it is. So now we are going to go into a how to build segment. So if you can build this thing, obviously with the segment, though if you want to use this on your YouTube channel or whatever, please just give me credit in the video or in the description, preferably in the video. Just give me credit for it, and yeah, now let's move on to the how to build part.